welcome back to the channel. One of the things I get asked about most is how to stay healthy and fit as we age. And let me tell you, it's never too late to make positive changes. Today, we're diving into 6 proven movements that can transform your body after 50. These exercises are all about building strength, boosting energy, and improving your overall health. We're going to break down each movement, talk about the benefits, and show you exactly how to do them safely and effectively. Let's get started. As we get older, our bodies change. It's a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean we have to slow down. In fact, staying active becomes even more important for maintaining our health, mobility, and independence as we age. Think about it. Regular exercise helps us maintain a healthy weight, strengthens our bones and muscles, improves our balance and coordination, and even boosts our mood and cognitive function. These are all crucial elements for living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life no matter your age. The 6 movements we're going to cover today are all designed to be accessible and adaptable, regardless of your current fitness level. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Now let's jump right into the first movement. First up, we have one of the simplest yet most effective exercises out there, walking. It's an activity that almost everyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes, and you're good to go. Whether you prefer walking in the morning or evening, it's an exercise that fits easily into your daily routine. Walking is a fantastic low-impact exercise that's easy on your joints. It's perfect for those who are just starting out, or for anyone looking to add a gentle activity to their fitness regimen. It's a great way to improve your cardiovascular health, which means it strengthens your heart and lungs, and helps regulate your blood pressure. Plus, walking can be done almost anywhere, from city streets to nature trails. And it doesn't stop there. Walking is also a social activity. You can walk with friends, family, or join a walking group to make new connections. Regular walking also strengthens your leg muscles, improves your bone density, and can even help with weight management. It's a full-body workout that doesn't feel like a chore, but the benefits go beyond the physical. Walking can be a meditative experience, allowing you to clear your mind and focus on the present moment. Walking, especially outdoors in nature, can do wonders for your mental health too. The fresh air and natural surroundings can help you feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. It helps reduce stress, improves your mood, and even boosts your creativity. Many people find that their best ideas come to them while they're out for a walk. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. If you're short on time, you can break it up into shorter intervals throughout the day. You can break it up into shorter intervals if that's easier to fit into your schedule. Remember, consistency is key. The more you walk, the more benefits you'll see. So, lace up those shoes and start walking your way to better health today. Next, let's talk about squats. Squats are one of the most effective exercises you can do, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. They are versatile and can be performed anywhere, from your living room to the great outdoors. Don't let the name intimidate you. Squats are accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Squats are a fundamental movement pattern that works wonders for your entire body, especially your legs and core. They help in building muscle, burning fat, and improving overall fitness. When you perform a squat, you're essentially mimicking the motion of sitting down and standing back up. This natural movement is something we do daily, making it a functional exercise. This simple movement engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly efficient exercise. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all work together to perform a squat. Squats are incredibly beneficial for building strength in your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core muscles. They also help in enhancing your flexibility and mobility. Strong legs and a stable core are essential for maintaining good balance, improving your posture, and preventing falls, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Squats can also help in reducing the risk of injuries. If you're new to squats, start with bodyweight squats. These are simple yet effective and can be done anywhere without any equipment. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your back straight, and slowly lower yourself as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. As you get stronger, you can increase the challenge by holding a weight in front of you or even progressing to single-leg squats. These variations can help in further enhancing your strength and balance. Remember, proper form is crucial, so start slow and gradually increase the intensity. Always listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to avoid injury. Chapter 4. Yoga, Finding Flexibility and Balance. Now let's move on to a practice that's been around for centuries and for good reason: yoga. Yoga is a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It's a fantastic way to improve your flexibility, balance, and overall strength, all while calming your mind and reducing stress. One of the beautiful things about yoga is that it's highly adaptable. There are various styles of yoga ranging from gentle and restorative to more vigorous and challenging. Some beneficial yoga poses for those over 50 include downward facing dog, which stretches your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders, and warrior 2, which strengthens your legs and core while improving balance. Yoga is all about listening to your body and honoring its limits. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. Remember, consistency is key. Even practicing yoga for a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. Chapter 5. Swimming. Dive into a full-body workout. Let's dive into the wonderful world of swimming. Swimming is an excellent form of exercise for people of all ages, but it's especially beneficial for those over 50. Why? Because it's a low-impact activity that provides a fantastic full-body workout without putting excessive stress on your joints. When you swim, the water supports your body weight, reducing the impact on your joints while providing resistance to challenge your muscles. Swimming is a fantastic cardiovascular workout, improving your heart and lung health. It also strengthens your muscles, improves your flexibility, and enhances your endurance. Whether you prefer freestyle, breaststroke, or backstroke, swimming engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly efficient exercise. If you haven't been swimming in a while, start slowly and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your swims. And remember, safety first. Always swim in a safe and supervised environment. Chapter 6. Strength Training. Build a strong foundation. Now let's talk about strength training. It's a crucial component of any fitness routine and can be done by people of all ages and fitness levels. Many people think of strength training as lifting heavy weights, but it's so much more than that. It encompasses a variety of exercises that can be tailored to your individual needs and goals. Strength training is any activity that challenges your muscles to work against resistance. This can include traditional weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and even resistance band workouts. This resistance can come from your own body weight, resistance bands, or weights. Each type of resistance offers unique benefits and can be used to target different muscle groups. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to decreased strength and mobility. Strength training helps counteract this process by building and maintaining muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining our independence and mobility as we age. It also helps improve balance and coordination. Strength training not only makes you physically stronger but also boosts your metabolism, improves your bone density, and reduces your risk of falls and injuries. These benefits are essential for a healthy, active lifestyle. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. These exercises are great for beginners and can be done anywhere, without any equipment. As you get stronger, you can incorporate resistance bands or light weights. Gradually increasing the resistance will help you continue to build strength and avoid plateaus. Remember, proper form is essential to avoid injuries. Always focus on technique before increasing the weight or resistance. If you're new to strength training, consider working with a certified personal trainer to learn the ropes. They can help you develop a safe and effective routine tailored to your goals and fitness level. Chapter 7. Stretching. Keep moving with ease. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the importance of stretching. Stretching is often overlooked, but it's a crucial component of overall fitness and well-being, especially as we age. Regular stretching helps improve your flexibility, which is essential for maintaining your range of motion, preventing injuries, and performing everyday activities with ease. Think about all the movements you do daily. Reaching for objects, bending down, getting up from a chair. Stretching helps ensure you can continue doing these things comfortably and without pain. Aim to stretch all the major muscle groups at least a few times a week. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Remember, never force a stretch. You should feel a gentle pull, not pain. Incorporate these stretches into your routine, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Outro your journey to a healthier you starts today. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health and fitness. Incorporate these movements into your routine and feel the difference they make in your strength, energy, and overall well-being. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. And of course, consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. I'm excited to be on this journey with you.